learn Strip It Down. It's choreographed by Rachael McEnaney. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts before going around and doing 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows and you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Strip It Down. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a nightclub basic to the right. We're going to do that big step to the right, dragging the left toe into the right. Rock the left foot behind your right and recover onto your right foot, slightly crossed over your left. You're now going to do a nightclub basic to the left, big step to the left, dragging that right toe in, rock your right foot behind your left and recover onto your left foot, slightly crossed over your right. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping forward with our right foot, and as we do that, we're going to sweep our left from back to front. We're now going to do a serpentine weave, cross the left over the right, step your right foot to the side, step your left foot behind your right, and as you do that, you're going to sweep your right from front to back. We're now going to cross our right behind our left and step our left foot to the side. You'll still be facing 3 o'clock. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your nightclub basic. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and. Section 2, we're going to cross rock our right over our left, recover onto your left foot. You're now going to rock your right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and we're going to weave right behind left side, right cross. You're now going to rock your left foot to the left side, and you're going to quickly recover, making a quarter turn over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 6 o'clock. We're now going to do a left syncopated rocking chair, rocking our left foot forward, recover back onto your right, rock your left foot back, recover forward onto your right. You're now going to make a 3/4 turn by doing 2 turns. We're going to make a half turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with our left to face 12, and you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the side to face 3 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left foot, we're cross rocking. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. Section 3, we're going to cross our left over our right, rock your right foot to the right side, recover and cross your right over your left. You're now going to sweep your left from back to front. We're going to do a half diamond fall away. We're going to cross our left over our right. You're going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right to face 130. You're now going to step back with your left. We're going to step back with our right, and you're going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the side to square you up to 12 o'clock. You're now going to make another 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot forward into the 10:30 diagonal. You're going to cross your left over your right, and as you do that, you're going to slightly square yourself up to the 9 o'clock wall, making that slight 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder. And then you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right foot. You're doing your cross. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and. Weight's back on that right foot, and you are facing 6 o'clock. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to quickly make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping our left foot to the left side. You're now facing 3 o'clock. You're going to touch your right next to your left. We're now going to slightly step forward with our right, touch your left foot next to your right. You're now going to slightly step forward into the diagonal with your left, step your right next to your left, and then slightly step forward with that left foot. We're now going to step our right foot slightly forward into the diagonal, touch your left foot next to your right, step your left foot slightly forward into the diagonal, touch your right next to your left, and then we're going to do a rolling grapevine, making a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot. You're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left, and then a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the side, and cross your left over your right, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try it with some counts. We would have just stepped back with our right foot facing 6 o'clock for and. You're going to quickly make that turn over your left shoulder. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and And then you would start all over again with your nightclub. So let's face the front. We're going to do a 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing that nightclub basic to the right. Nightclub, rock, recover, big step, rock back, recover, quarter sweep, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, side, cross, rock, side, rock, weave, behind, side, cross, rock, quarter, recover, rocking chair, half, quarter, cross, rock, recover, cross, sweep, cross, 8th, back, 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 8th, side, 8th, forward, 8th, cross, quarter, back, quarter, side, touch, step, touch, side together, side, touch, step, touch, rolling grapevine with a cross. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on that left foot. You're doing your nightclub. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and then you're ready to keep on dancing. So a little trick with that fall away. When you're doing your fall away, I want you to think of whatever wall you started the dance at, and you're gonna go from that right corner to that left corner on your fall away. So when we do the first wall, even though we're over here when we start, I want you to think we were facing wall 12, so you're going from the right diagonal to the left diagonal. Same thing when we dance wall 2. We'll start that fall away facing 6, but you want to do your right diagonal and your left diagonal from the wall that you started at. That will be kind of like your home base to know where you're traveling to. So now let's go all the way around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your nightclub. Nightclub, slide, rock back, recover, slide, rock back, recover, quarter sweep, serpentine weave with a sweep, behind, side, cross, rock, side, rock, weave, behind, side, cross, rock, quarter, recover, rocking chair, half, quarter, cross, side, rock, cross, sweep, cross, 8th, back, 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 8th, side, 8th, forward, 8th, cross, quarter, back, quarter, side, touch, step, together, step, touch, rolling grapevine with a cross, nightclub, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and nightclub. Nightclub, quarter sweep, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, side, cross, rock, behind, side, cross, rock, quarter, cover, rocking chair, half, quarter, cross, side, rock, cross, sweep, cross, 8th, back, 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 8th, side, 8th, forward, 8th, cross, back, quarter, touch, step, together, step, touch, rolling grapevine with a cross, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and that is the whole dance. So I hope that helped you learn Strip It Down, and I hope you get to dance this on a dance floor soon. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.